it to myself if you would like. It's not that big of a deal. But I love you. Did you guys like the video? We need 5 more likes for 2,000. Holy crap. 2,000 likes on NVDA earnings. Make my day. I just made a play. I believe in you. You guys are going to like the video. You guys are a great audience. So not a recommendation. You will lose money. I grabbed an Intel 47.5 call for March 15th. I bought one of them at 43 cents.
What's up, world? It's your boy Chuck Taylor. And getting ready for these NVIDIA earnings. I don't know who's on right now. I don't really care. Yup. You like this beat? What's up with it? Almost time, boys. Almost time. It's about to be the Super Bowl of, you know. See? This is what we got going on. Hang on. We're almost there, boys. Let me check what y'all are saying to me on YouTube. Alright. Give me a GG if you in the chat. Alright, we're gonna go back to this screen now. Yeah. What do we got? 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Who I got in the chat? Drew Walsh, Brett Hart. Ah! You guys are always here, bro. Brett's always in there, bro. And Drew, you always be showing up too, man. Much love, brother. Much love. I got puts on AMD and QQQ. I got SPY puts. I'm not playing the video puts. No, not going to do that. That's too crazy. That is too crazy. But we got about 1.5 minutes, Chad. And I'm just trying to... hold on a second. so I don't miss anything. Let me cut this music. Okay, Apple, I hear you. Now, with that being done and said, I also kind of want to hear what our good old boy Josh has to say about all this. I'll move it over here. All right, here we go.
Go! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to wrap it up. Bring it home. Finalize those plays. Speak now or forever hold your peace. You have less than 30 seconds. Shares, options, futures. You got to make up your mind. Are you playing NVIDIA? Are you playing the sympathies? Are you playing the NASDAQ, the Qs, the SMH? What's going to happen tomorrow? We still got more data. The chips and the big earnings on the way. You already got to hear the Fed minutes, but you have now less than 10 seconds to bring it home. Shares, options, futures. Make up your mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ding, 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 ding. All right. Let's see what happens. It's supposed to be the chat, man. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. What happened? I don't have the report up yet. I gotta turn Josh off, dude. He's driving me nuts in the background real quick. Hold on 1 second. Jesus, man, he's so loud. Okay. Sorry. Okay. All right. Wait. What? Why is it? Okay. That was a first. Oh, dude. Sorry. This is insane. Wait, really? Go back. Oh, okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. I'm not really sure when the actual earnings report is due to come out. Bear with me 1 second. I really don't know. Um, let's see if I can. Let me see. Let me see if I can get. Hold on a second. Hang on. All right. Now maybe I'll turn Josh back on because he's gonna have the report. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Hang on a second. Here we go. Here we go.
20.4, the high end of guidance. That's what's expected. And then next quarter, anything higher than 22.1 or 22.2. I think that's going to be the key. You got Sunrun. They're coming out. They're getting murked. Sunrun revenue 516, estimate 523. Pro forma adjusted loss 133, estimate was 28 cents a share. Wow, that's pretty bad. It reiterates cash generation outlook for 2024. So good guidance, bad earnings. We've seen that one a couple of times. You have your entire home on NVIDIA. Can you give me like $5 before anything happens? I'd like to I'm just asking. If you got $5, let me know. You can throw it on there. Fuck it, man. You know, you on credit to bet your home. You know, if you got some credit, you got $4.99 to spare. Fuck it. I'm just saying, man. Get you a membership badge. What? Y'all LOLing at me. We live in a cold world out here, bro. They'll sell you ads on spending money for if you're going bankrupt. Like, what do you mean? Oh, Josh asked for $5. At least I asked. I was pretty transparent about how I asked for it. Like, what are you getting mad at me for? There's way more predatory lending, predatory lawyers, a lot of things going on, man. I'm just saying, he said he threw his house on the video. I'm like, let me get a membership badge then, dog. Hold up. All right, well, yeah, we just got to wait. And the video is going to move around. I'm kind of tempted to play it. Let me get my trades queued up. Should we get NVDA? You guys want me to get you a NVDA up here? You guys want to see it like a NVIDIA chart? We'll give you the other look. I'm gonna have a lot of things up here. This will be the NVIDIA.
All right. Well, while Josh is doing that shit,
you guys will be able to see it.
because that's my homie from the trading fraternity.
Yeah, I don't know. This is kind of
legit. He'll pull the data up.
It's not gonna work.
It doesn't look like it's dropped yet.
Too much going on.
I don't know. Who do we got?
I don't know. I kind of don't want to play it.
Man,
but
y'all make sure y'all like the video.
Etsy, 62 cents. Estimate was 78. Revenue 842. Estimate was 827. Fourth quarter EPS 62. Estimate was 78. What about their guidance? Etsy's on the high. Now they went lower. So by the time I clicked on it, they went up 4%, and now they're down 4%. My goodness. Lucid coming down. I'm not too sure. I forgot they report. Lucid down a little. Etsy's down 5, so they missed on EPS, beat on revenue. Synopsis is out. Let's see. Synopsis not moving. Synopsis 356.
All right. Y'all need to like the video. Y'all need to subscribe. Y'all need to show some love. I want to see some GG, I want to see some money bags. I want to see all this kind of crazy shit right here. You know what I mean? In the chat. Still waiting on the report.
Baidu, BuzzFeed had earnings. Then Sunrun, Dutch Pros, fourth quarter EPS 4 cents. Estimate was 8. Revenue 254. Estimate was 252.8. Sees 24 adjusted EBITDA 185 to 195. Estimate was 190. Sees full year revenue 1.19 to 121. Estimate was 122. So they're down off of guidance. Again, Synopsis, they guided within line. So, honestly, not much here after the bell. Oh, Sal, showing love. Angel, oh, thank you. Let's go, baby. See, they wait, did you guys just bet your houses on the video? Is that why you're doing that? That was a very specific request. Oh, man. This pandemic.
So, it's still not out yet. As soon as it's out, though, I'll make sure to pull the screen up. I guess there's a slight delay from my stream to which y'all can see like by like 20 seconds or something. I don't know. I'm trying to look through the chat. So who do we still got in here? We got Brett. We got Drew. Maybe I see 3 people. I don't know. But we're still waiting on We're still waiting on NVDA.
I mean, a lot of people voted. 5,000 people voted on the poll. So I think a lot of people are getting pretty crazy right now. I think this is like a lot is riding on this. We're going to be able to make a little bit of a move afterwards, but a lot is running on here. Rivian pop. Oh, decent move. Let me see. Rivian. I don't see Rivian numbers out yet. I don't know. The hard numbers might be out, aka the filing, but I'm not seeing anything. See, Lucid number 157. Estimate was one. I thought they. Oh, damn. So they missed on revenue. Adjusted EBITDA loss 604. Estimate was 606. Loss per share 29 cents on Lucid. And then they see 24 production,
Lucid
about
apparently did
9,000
not do
vehicles.
well, from what Josh is saying. I don't have any of their.
Yeah,
reports
Rivian.
up
I
in
don't
front of
see
me.
Rivian yet, believe it or not.
Rivian neither. Yo, Whoop, the UNG contracts are like at 0. I'm in La La Land with UNG, okay? Like they put me in UNG 1, which isn't even like a thing. So you can't I can't like I can't buy any more of them, and I can't really sell any of them because, it's like I don't know how to explain it, but they expire in July, so we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. Woo! This NVIDIA shit, man, is going to literally this could flush the market out completely if they miss. It's gonna be this is like the Super Bowl of the stock market. Mm. 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes till 8 minutes till the earnings drops. Yeah, Rivian did bad. Y'all need to send some likes my way, bro. I need some more likes. This is pathetic.
Well, I think Lucid and Rivian both missed. So Lucid, they just sold a little less, and I think made less revenue, but then profitability a little better, but still negative. Tesla didn't move at all on any of this. All right, man.
All right,
Get ready.
well, about 6 minutes till the NVDA earnings drop. I better see some more likes. I better see some more likes. Damn it.
Look at it. You know, you saw like we all tried to tell you it was like, no, that's not Tesla. You're like, it's Elon Musk. Trust me.
Everybody who's watching right now, I don't know who's in here. Give me a GG. Give me a GG so I can see who's in here. Or gang to the third. Gang, gang, gang. $5 minutes till the release. Oh man, dude, fuck. Yo, Brett, I think I'm going to the fucking Houston rodeo cook-off tonight, bro. It's just gonna be wild. Snoop Dogg would disapprove with what? Of what? What would he disapprove of? What's that even supposed to mean? Snoop Dogg would disapprove. What the hell? Yeah, I got you. I got you, Brett. I got you. You know what I don't have? I don't have Restore Masters back, is what I don't have. That's an inside joke to anybody who doesn't understand it. Fuck RM. That's right, I said it. Give me some likes on the video. Whoop, you better like the video. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What do we got? All right, we got about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So I don't know what you guys bought into, but I got AMD puts, I got QQQ puts, I'm in Tesla puts, I'm in SPY puts, I'm in Apple calls. Rest in peace to those for sure. UNG. I hope I get my bag. I hope I get the bag. I mean, you know, this is the bag brigade. You know, just for saying that, let's do the bag. The bag. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's the bag right there. There's the bag. No, I did not sell my Apple calls because they're basically worthless at this point. So it's like ride or die at this point. All right, we got like literally 2 minutes. I should have sold them earlier in the week, but I didn't. That was a mess up on my behalf. I'm doing a poll for you guys. It's coming. Whoop, you better like the video. Somebody didn't like the video. Okay. Do the opposite of Chuck, the inverse Chuck ETF. Is that what you want to do? All right, I'm gonna put Josh on for a second because he's about to. He's gonna report the earnings in about. Hang on, in a second. I'm gonna switch it over.
That one looks interesting. Other than that, Rivian, that was the only other big earnings mover here.
And I'll be right here talking to.
So get ready. Get ready. Rivian's in the 12s. 1 minute, 50 seconds. Oh my goodness.
I understand they haven't missed. It doesn't matter. In my opinion, it doesn't matter if they miss at all. Like even if they come in line, they've been up so much.
Conference call, I have no idea.
Going to tank.
All right, hopefully it comes out right on the wire.
It's gonna flush the market.
NVDA, 30 seconds.
I'm screwed. But anyway.
Bum 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 bum. Can they double revenue again? We'll find out. We will find out. The most important stock in the world right now in 15 seconds is about to change everything. 10 seconds.
Here we go, 10 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boop. Nothing.
Nothing's happened yet. Nothing's happened yet.
Nothing. I don't see anything yet. I don't see anything yet. Where is it at? 420.
What do you mean, Mike? You can't hear
me?
You can't hear me?
Oh, all that hype. Oh, wait for it. Where is it? My goodness. Wait, hold on now. No, don't worry. It's hiding there. It's creeping. You'll get it. Don't you worry. I'll see him. There it is. There it is. NVIDIA EPS $4.93. Revenue was 22.1. So they beat by 10%.
No.
I don't have next quarter yet. EPS was 516, so they beat. I don't have guidance, but they literally beat revenue by 10%. Net revenue $12.29 billion. So they literally beat by an additional $2 billion. It looks like data center revenue up 409%. Visualization up 105. 463 on professional visualization. They see first quarter revenue $24 billion plus or minus 2%. Estimate was 21.9. So they beat.
They beat, yeah, but I don't think they beat enough because look.
Right, 679.
Woo! I told everybody.
666. Oh, dude, they just dropped like $20.
I told everybody they have to blow it out of the water. They have to blow it out of the water.
All right, I bought 24 shares
at 664. If they don't blow it out of the water, then
25 shares there. I'm buying one of the knives here. I think they beat and raised, but it's going down again.
I lowered my mic because Drew was telling me it was too loud.
Damn, NVIDIA. I'm buying first dip down.
Woo!
Pop, lock, and drop. But that's a big move down already. That's why I'm saying wait for the knives, but you've dropped about 6%. Still can move about double.
All right.
So down to 640.
Is my mic good now? Damn, there's...
Bro, SPY. Yeah, look at this SPY. Oh, my gosh. Really?
Oh, yeah, let's look at...
Bro, the SPY is actually insane. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, check out SMCI. AMD's moving.
Oh, wow. Oh, AMD's moving?
Quarter gaming
yeah?
Revenue up
okay.
56%. Not
oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Fifth quarter.
Oh, yeah.
Again, EPS 516.
How about QQQ?
I think they killed it on that, too. Yeah, 459.
Dang, dude.
So, again, I think they're just up 200, but they beat guidance by 10%, and stock is up 50% since that last time. Yeah, it's doing what it did again. I don't know about not good enough, but definitely just it's doing what NVIDIA has done. We have watched NVIDIA pull this off before. I can only imagine SMCI. But they beat, and then they also guided up here. We'll see about the conference call. Margins, I do not have. I see automotive revenue down 4. I have to wait till the easy numbers come out. Data center revenue, 60.9, up a full record full-year revenue, 60.9, up 126. Record quarterly revenue, 22.1. I see gross margin 76. I think they beat.
I mean, I guess wait for the
and non-GAAP 76.7. NVIDIA says generative AI has hit the tipping point. NVIDIA adjusted gross margin 76. Yeah, they killed it on margin. Well, now it's coming back.
Okay,
I'm
so
out
they
up
killed
on my
it on
shares for
margin.
now. We'll see where this takes us. It's coming back. It has to like really run a but it doesn't seem bad, but it's literally just what we dealt with last
This
time.
could be
That's
the
it. Remember
biggest
last time they had good
cuck
earnings and
in
then
the world
they
where
went
it
up a
doesn't do
little bit,
anything.
stayed pinned, and then sold off. But that took a couple of days. But
Yeah, like
they
it could
beat,
just
they guided
literally
up.
like not move.
I mean, it might cuck, and then at the very end of the day, I mean, it's still down $100 in the last 3 days alone. It's just not good enough. Well, we'll say that it might be good enough in a month or two, but for now, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Tomorrow, so again, EPS 516 versus 460. Again, revenue beat by 2 billion. They guided up by 2 billion. Data centers beat gaming revenue 2.9 versus 2.7. So even gaming revenue did better. Honestly, not bad at all. I think it's great. Seems like growth is slowing. Data centers to China declined significantly. So that's your first negative headline off of that.
Yeah. Well. I mean, it's basically
it
at
beat.
the top
That's why,
of the day.
it is a good beat. Look, dude, look at this SPY moving like a penny stock. I'm up $10 a share on my purchase there.
The SPY moving like a penny stock.
But
I guess that makes sense.
I think we got to wait
Let's
for a
get
little bit more
granular
color
with
on the
it
guidance
on the
call.
1
But
minute.
it's probably going to cuck or it's going to break out.
I think it's going to cut.
I don't know if it does really flush again. I don't think there was a reason to like sell off $100. It might go down to the low 600s though. But if anything, I don't think that was that bad. It was a beat. I mean, it was a beat. It was a guide up. Everything's looking good. I mean, I'm sure some people are going to start questioning the growth rate
NVDA.
and all of that. But so far, it's been a year of this now.
It's
4 quarters
literally
of
at
really
the
just
same level that it
growth.
opened
Even
up
some
at
of the
today.
slower stuff came
That's
up.
called a cuck.
So I'm not too against it, honestly. I don't think this is bad for sentiment. You see what it's doing to the SPY. ARM is going up here now too.
I gotta go to at least a 5 minute or something. That's too hard to fucking watch. Yeah, but somebody not showing some likes. I know I don't have the biggest following on YouTube, but it says I got 4 viewers but 2 likes. What the fuck?
TSM. I think
9
Marvel
views
or
total.
what's it called?
4 people watching.
Marvel or ARM could be a good sympathy, but I grabbed those 25 shares in NVIDIA. I'm up almost $500 on those, so I'm just gonna hold those out. So it's already moved up 2.5% from the low, but it's practically unchanged right now. So that's it. NVIDIA is actually holding up right where it was at when earnings came out.
Yeah.
So again, earnings were a beat. Everything looking good so far, but not too crazy of a move. Jensen Huang says accelerated computing and generative AI have hit tipping point. Demand is surging across companies, industries, and nations. Professional visualization.
Okay, maybe it says 5 likes. I don't know. I'm looking at it on my platform.
Versus 272.
Like my streaming platform, so it says differently. So okay, cool, awesome. Thanks for the
make
love.
Money up, yeah, man.
All right, well, NVIDIA. Is this it?
I think NVIDIA is a beat. I think the stock is just gonna go crazy.
So all options on NVIDIA are gonna get totally clapped.
Otherwise, chalk it up to a cuck or maybe go a little higher than sell off in a couple of days. But so far, you just kind of skirted the market events. Now, we punt until PCE next week. Yeah, fourth quarter revenue $24 billion plus or minus 2.
Damn it. Oh my
Bros
God.
already came out. So again, Bros wasn't even that. Again, NVIDIA, AMD starting to break out a little bit more. We'll see. Earnings call not till 5. So you got 30 minutes. We'll see. I'll give you guys Bloomberg for a second, and then we'll wrap it up. Please hold. But yeah, so far so good. It's about to break out a little higher than the earnings.
So you look at, I want to use the Sam Altman $5 to $7 trillion AI chips opportunity maybe as a backdrop for this particular calculation. So when you look at what Sam is suggesting, he's not just talking about the chips. He's talking about foundry, silicon design. He's also talking about data center, and then all the electricity and infrastructure that's required. Having said that, you saw a $20 billion quarter for the most important
Now
company,
it's
or $22
moving.
billion quarter for the most important company in AI chips. And you'd say there's a lot of growth ahead. So if you look at a forward multiple and you say,
Now it's
can
moving.
NVIDIA continue this growth rate, and are all these conditions, whether Sam goes and partners with Intel or whether Microsoft builds its own
Don't lie,
silicon,
Whoop. You
NVIDIA
don't
keep growing this
have a
way, law of
Bloomberg
large
terminal.
numbers, a little bit like what we saw with AWS in the cloud, you start to say, maybe it isn't that expensive. My biggest concern, though, is the gross margin. Romain, you pointed out a few times, 76% gross margin. But AMD is not really shipping at volume a competitive product yet. Intel doesn't have a competitive product yet. Mostly what we're hearing are competitive products entering the space, and we're also hearing demand time coming down, and you're wondering, supply time is coming down, and you're wondering, is there any issue with demand? So all these things are going to impact whether NVIDIA can keep this high margin. If they can keep the margin and AI keeps growing like we forecast it will, then it may not be as expensive as some people think.
I'm glad you brought up that competitive landscape, because I too think this is a big key. This has been the 500-pound gorilla in the space for the last couple of years.
You did lie. You don't have a
It's kind of
Bloomberg
the
terminal.
only
I know you
player.
don't. I know when you lie.
At what point do
I
those
know when you
competitors
lie.
come to market with product diminish the market share of this company?
Well, the reason I'm a little bit skeptical, and in 2020, I said NVIDIA
Watch
would
it
be the
sell
next
off. Watch
$1
NVIDIA
company.
sell off in
22, when it was
pre-market
trading around 130, 140,
or
I said
right
NVIDIA
at cash
was an
open.
absolutely
Bro.
massive opportunity
Dude, look
for
at this
investors.
SPY.
Now we sit here at the other
Don't
side
even
of
look
this,
at
and you start to say,
NVIDIA. Look
well,
at this SPY.
AMD's starting to ship. Lisa Su's talked about a $4 billion
so yeah, my
forecast.
NVIDIA shares just shot up there. That's crazy.
Intel
But
head Gina Raimondo.
that's it. So I think
Sam
this might be
Altman,
the first
Satya
time
Nadella
the
making
optimism
commitments
may
to work
continue.
side by side. And of course, all
You
those
may
companies
even,
are building
if this
their own
actually
chips. And then
holds
you have
up,
the question of how many
earnings were
companies are going
good,
to build these
nobody's
massive
picky about
large
it.
language models
You might have
that
just
require all
changed
these
some of that
GPUs.
February
GPUs are really
seasonality.
good for doing a lot.
So SPY is up about almost 0.5%. Q's up about 0.75%. TLT's barely up. AMD is up 3%. NVIDIA's up 6.5%. TSM's at, wow. You better hope it doesn't sell off in after hours, bro. Or at cash open tomorrow. UNG was up a lot today, actually, but it's still been crushed. Like, hold on, they were up 12% today. 12%. But that split screwed me. So NVIDIA was the implied move, just to let you guys know, was a 17% implied move in either direction. So if you bought options and they're not within that 17% range on either side, puts or calls, then your shit will open up at 0. It has to be in the money. Yes, it is higher than you bought it now, but it's not up that much comparatively. I mean, they're at 717. What's their high? Their yearly high? 746.11. So, we'll see. We'll see. What, man? The damn Discord is just blowing me up right now. Let me see the 15-minute, and I'm going to put the pivots on so I know where potential resistance is. Okay.
And I think that's the bigger lever that we're going to see. Time and cost will be an important one, but it's really about that probability of success. And this is not going to happen overnight. This is going to take
I don't really
a
like
decade
the
or
way
two
that
for us
NVIDIA
to
is
see
moving right
really
now.
meaningful movements there. But ultimately,
Normally,
this is a
when they
massive
beat
market,
big,
right? A multi-trillion-dollar biopharma
launch.
market with
This is
90%
not a launch.
failure rates in the clinic. And so the upside for human health and impact, I think, is pretty extraordinary as these tools start to take hold.
Whoop, you tell them to do it. I'm doing 5 things
here.
at
What
one
does this
time right now.
mean for the end
You
consumer
just go in the
cost?
chat and tell everybody to
Clearly
come
there's
in
an
here.
embedded cost that starts to go away, just diminish materially over time. If we're looking 5-10 years from now, and this is truly effective, what does it mean for the price of drugs?
I think over the next decade, we're going to start to see the price of drugs fall. Of course, part of that will be other forces in the market. The biopharma R&D engine is one component, but PBMs and other things are actually a much bigger component of the price of medicines. But ultimately, if companies can start reliably discovering and developing meaningful impact.
Yes, right now it is bullish. I'm not denying the fact that they did beat earnings or anything like that, but their implied move was 17%. Right now they're only and they're under 7%. So anybody who bought options, I don't care what side puts or calls, if it doesn't go 20% or 17%, they go to zero on weeklies.
In how long? I think that's in like 30 minutes. That's probably going to move you the most out of anything here. So not too bad. Insane bottom tick. It was scary. It went down another $20, but that was a nice run up there. I do think it was good earnings. Again, I did this last time and got clapped, but this time around, I think it was another good earnings. Maybe the market will reward it a little bit. It may level out here, but $700 is nothing to balk at, and then now it's bringing up everything else. So we'll see how it plays out. But Chad, that's it. I was just eating my salad there. I was chilling there. So we good, but now I gotta go. I gotta go take this dump. I'm gonna hold those NVIDIAs for a little bit. I'll probably sell out during their conference call. You got a good gain if you grab the shares though, so do what you need to do. But Chattadonia, that is everything. Unless you guys want to stay here for the conference call, but then we got call real estate at 2, and then it's just a Wednesday, so we're gonna have to leave. Yeah, thank you for the GGs, baby. But Chad, we're gonna wrap it up there. So check.
Woo! Well, I don't want to say that I was disappointed in this. It just wasn't as exciting as I thought it was going to be. Right? Am I right? Am I right? Nice. Things up. Cool. I don't know if I have time to stay on for the conference call. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do I mean? What do you mean? What do I mean? Drew? Dude, I'm not a perma bear. I just, I look, the breadth in the market overall is horrible. You have to understand that everything is pumped off of NVIDIA and its AI bullshit. That's why I'm a bear. Like, that is why I'm bearish on this. It's not, it's called unsustainability. There is a pullback due. NVIDIA cannot carry the entire stock market. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't know when the earnings call comes on, but I don't know if I'm gonna stick around for that. Um, yeah, yeah. Well, I was expecting a bigger move in either direction. This is kind of a cuck. Options will expire worthless tomorrow on both sides. That didn't. I mean, unless you bought within like a 6% move, option, they're gonna go to zero. I said it. Somebody had to say it. I said it. Don't do it. No, don't throw it. No. I don't know. It seems like it until the conference call, it's kind of leveled out here. You know what I mean? Alright. Well, I gotta go to the rodeo later. So I think we're gonna call it on this. Whoever's still watching, thanks for joining. We'll see what happens. The video is coming down right now. The conference call will make all of the difference. I know this. So, that being said, ladies and gentlemen, have a good evening, and be safe out there. If you made money off of this movement, I'm happy for you. That's what we do at the Bag Brigade. Whether I lost money or made money and you guys made money and I lost money, I don't care. It's all about the gang. Gang. And that being said, peace be with you and also with you.